welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, I am Evelyn. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the company Merit. They are a clean and minimal beauty line, and I'm so excited to try them because they do make all of their products with clean ingredients that are non-toxic, and I am so excited because they're not only stunning, but they are good for you. And you know, if you've been on my channel, that that's what I prioritize in my home. I do not like bringing harsh chemicals into my home, and so I'm so excited to try a makeup line that is all the things that I want in a makeup line. So one of the goals that Merit has is to create a line where less is more. So it is minimal, everything is simplified, and I absolutely love that because that means you can do your makeup quicker with good product. So right off the bat, I already fell in love with Merit because the bag that everything came in is absolutely stunning. It is a makeup bag, like traveling bag, and it's just so simple but gorgeous. I absolutely love anything that matches my aesthetic. Let's be honest, it always helps. And so that already got me super excited to try everything out. This first product is a mascara. It is called Clean Lash. Let's go ahead and unbox that together. It is a beautiful minimal design. It is black with a gold top. Let's see if that focuses. Hopefully it's focusing. So this is what that looks like. A nice like minimal clean brush, nothing too fancy, and it's in the color black. Next up is a Day Glow highlighter. Let's see. Oof, it's so beautiful. Alright, so as you can see, it is a cute little stick, and again, beautiful packaging, just a very light creamy off-white with gold lettering. And let's go ahead and show you. I feel like this color is like a champagne-ish color, and it's so pretty. Let's go ahead and put it on. And I don't know if you can see like that minimal shimmer, but it is so pretty. Honestly, when it comes to highlighters, anything like rose goldy is kind of where it's at, and this one looks exactly like my color. So what's next is this brow brush. It's like a little pomade that is meant to not only style your brow but add a little bit of color. It is, wow, it's already so pretty. This one is completely gold. Let's see if it focuses. Yeah, so beautiful. And then the words are gold as well. And then it's kind of confusing because this is the tiny part is the actual product, and then the brush. So it's like little tiny, and you brush up your eyebrows, which will style them but create some color without you having to do anything like pencil them in. So again, for a very minimal quick moment, you can easily just go ahead and do your brows. Next on the list is a Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in the color Ombre Pomade. And this one I actually have on right now. You can't really tell that there's much on, which is still really pretty because it's like a peachy type of color. This is what this looks like. So it's pretty good size. That is the tone. It's very warm and peachy, but definitely on the darker side. But when you put it on, it does come on like a little gloss. So it's not like a very pigmented like lipstick. It's definitely more of a lip gloss. Next is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. So I think this is the actual foundation stick. So here's what this looks like. Again, very beautiful. It's like a matte gray color. And when it opens, oop, it is literally just like a little foundation stick, which we'll go ahead and swatch as well. It glides right on, and for me, like, this is a very good color choice where it's not too warm, it's not too yellow. It really is like my actual skin tone, which is really cool. So this is a blending brush, and I have not opened this since I got it, so I'm actually really excited to see what this looks like. Oof. All right. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. It's so soft. Oof, and I just love it. Like, it's literally lightweight and it's black, white, and I think it's silver letterings, but beautiful. And last but not least, I have the Flush Balm Cheek Color, which is a blush. Let's see. So this is different than what I usually wear. I like to wear warmer peachy colors, but to try something new, I got this color, which is, it's still obviously pink, but more of like a darker and less warm. More pink than peach. And I love this just because, again, with it being quick and minimal, I can just put it right on, blend it out, and I'm good to go. So that is everything that I got to try out, and I'm so excited to try all these products out. And once I get to kind of like play around with them, I'm definitely gonna make another video so you guys kind of know what my honest opinions are after using them. But for right now, my first impression is amazing. They are such beautiful products, and I think that in itself makes me want to use them. Plus they look so easy to use, which makes your makeup routine quick, which is a huge plus for me. I don't wear a lot of makeup, and when I do, I hate how long it takes to get ready, so I feel like that's a huge plus. And then definitely I feel like the price range, when it comes to anything with clean ingredients, it will always be more pricey, but I have learned that it's better to invest in something that's going to be good quality and better for you. So I also think that the price range is pretty great. So if you have any questions about any of the products, please leave a comment below. I would love to answer any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!